Easy all-in-one wax kit. No heat, no mess, no fuss. Everything you need to quickly remove unwanted hair in one box. Ready-to-use hair removal strips. Just rub, peel and go. Perfect at home, on the go, or traveling. Effective hair removal wax. Salon-quality, formulated with natural beeswax for strong adherence. Removes even the shortest hair by the root. Keeps your skin silky smooth and hair-free for weeks. Flexible wax strips hair removal. Shapes softly to body curves. Perfect for back, shoulder, arms, legs, Brazilian, bikini area, underarms, armpit, stomach. Cold wax formula. Gentle on skin, tough on unwanted body hair. Suitable for all skin types. Dermatologically tested, hypoallergenic and fragrance-free. Top reviews from the United States. Way better than the alternatives. I bought these first, liked them, but wanted a bigger pack so I bought a different brand. Big mistake, these work way better. Stick with these if you like them or are a novice in ripping your hair out, which I am.